Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. It's so wonderful to see you all here today. I'm Priyanka, and it is my great pleasure and honor to welcome you all to the Real Estate and Business Excellence Awards 2021, hosted by AdSync Advertising Dubai. Media partner, CNN News 18, powered by Justo Real Fintech Private Limited. Ladies and gentlemen, it is indeed a great honor for me to introduce and welcome a very special guest today, a truly beloved star from Bollywood, known for her appearance not just in the Hindi film industry, but also in Punjabi, Tamil, and Telugu cinema. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together and join me in welcoming the gorgeous and the very talented Zareen Khan. A huge round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen, excellence is not a destination. It is a continuous journey that never ends. The Real Estate and Business Excellence Awards 2021. May I now request Mr. Pradeep Pinto, CEO AdSync Advertising, to kindly escort Ms. Zareen Khan to the dais to present the award. Recognition and appreciation go a long way as motivators. Our eminent jury members have devoted their valuable time and remained unbiased and impartial with an eye for detailing throughout. Without any further ado, we proudly present the winners of the Real Estate and Business Excellence Awards. The award for the Developer of the Year Residential, which is Runwal Group. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Mr. Saurabh Chaturvedi, AVP Marketing, Runwal Group, as he receives the award.
Good afternoon, everyone. On behalf of Runwal Group, I would like to thank the organizers for giving us this award. It means a lot, and we are very happy to receive it. As you all may know, Runwal Group has been around for 40 years with a very strong track record. The group has grown exponentially in the last few years, and today it's one of the topmost real estate developers in the country. And this award is a reaffirmation of that consistent performance, and recognitions like this one make that resolve even stronger and motivate us to do better. Thank you.
Our next award is for the Residential Property of the Year, and the award goes to Montana from Sheth Group. To receive the award, we have right here with us Ms. Pooja Dave, Manager Digital Marketing, and Mr. Ankit Damania, Executive Marketing, Sheth Group.
We are from marketing team of Ashwin Sheth Group, and we're very delighted to receive this award. Thank you, gentlemen.
Moving on, we have the award for the Employer of the Year, which goes to Embassy Group. The award for the Best Developer of the Year Real Estate goes to Kalpataru Limited. To receive the award, please welcome on stage Ms. Suchi Rikhi, AGM Marketing Kalpataru Limited. Moving on, we have the Emerging Commercial Project of the Year, Mumbai and Navi Mumbai, and the award goes to 24 High. I call upon Mr. Darpan Bangeja, partner 24 High, to receive the award.
मेरा ये एक्चुअली पहला प्रोजेक्ट है और मुझे पहले प्रोजेक्ट में ये मिला है। मैं बहुत खुश हूँ और मैं एक प्रॉमिस करता हूँ कि मैं बहुत ईमानदारी से काम करूँगा, बहुत अच्छा काम करूँगा। ये जो मिला है मुझे, मैं ट्राई करूँगा हर साल मुझे मिलता रहे। थैंक यू एवरीवन।
Well, our next award is for excellence in delivery, and the award goes to Sugi Group. To receive the award, may I please call upon Mr. Atul Tavde, Director Sales and Marketing, and Mr. Anil Joshi.
On behalf of Sugi Group, I would like to thank the jury for awarding us with this award. This motivates us further to keep on delivering the projects on time, every time. Thank you.
Next on the list is the most innovative real estate asset class that goes to Rhythm Resitel. Please put your hands together for Mr. Vaibhav Jatia, Managing Director of Rhythm Group.
Resitel is an innovative product in which we look to give a convenient, hassle-free vacation home option. People can buy resort suite units, earn a rental income. So it's an innovative product which we have borrowed from the Western markets. Thank you, AdSync, for recognizing the efforts and the work. Thank you.
The next award is for the CEO of the Year, and the winner is Mr. Rohit Gupta, CEO, Mantra Properties.
Thank you for this award. It really means a lot, as most of the people have said. Appreciation in this format really proves that you're working for it. It's been 14 years. I've been working and seeing this company. It grew from a startup to the most fast-growing residential company in Pune. So I'm really happy and proud about the fact. So thank you, everyone, and thank you for this award again.
Well, up next is the most innovative communication and distribution platform, and the award goes to Justo Real Fintech Private Limited. I call upon the business heads, Mr. Anurag Varma, Mr. Nitin Pardesi, and Mr. Amit Sangiskar to receive the award.
Well, from small beginnings, we've come a long way. We work hard, and we worked especially hard in the last year to make sure that we add a lot of value to our client partners. So, and it's always satisfying to see our work appreciated. So thank you very much, AdSync, and thank you very much, CNN.
Moving on, we have Residential Property of the Year, and the award goes to Avant Heritage, Avant Group. May I please request Mr. Sudeep Saha, CMD of Avant Group, to join us on stage to receive the award.
I'm really delighted that our project Avant Heritage has been recognized as the Residential Project of the Year. It has been a very challenging project. In fact, it has been abandoned for more than a decade. It was quite difficult to turn it around and convert it into habitable homes for the clients. We have been able to obtain OC this year and hand over the keys to the clients. Thanks to CNN TV18 for recognizing the challenging task. And also thanks to all our clients, customers who had kept their faith in Avant Group. Thank you so much.
The award for the Best Engineering and Planning Firm of the Year goes to Lee Associates South Asia Private Limited. Please put your hands together for Dr. Athar Parvez, Executive Director, Lee Associates South Asia Private Limited, as he receives the award.
On behalf of Lee Associates South Asia Private Limited, popularly known as LASA, I would like to thank jury, AdSync and CNN News 18 for this recognition. We being part of the business into core infrastructure sector have been contributing in building nation since last 20 years, and we hope this recognition, this appreciation will push us further to do so more in future. Thank you very much.
Up next is the Most Admired Project of the Year, and the award goes to Arvind Foreste, Arvind Smart Spaces Limited. To receive the award, I call upon Ms. Bhumika Patel, Site Head, Arvind Foreste, Arvind Smart Spaces Limited. The next award is for the Most Admired Upcoming Project of the Year, and the award goes to Eon Group, which was previously known as Siddharth Group. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Mr. Bharat Shah, the Chairman and CEO, and Mr. Palash Shah, the Director of Siddharth Group.
Riverwood Park is a very special project for us. It is a 42-acre township that is well amenitized and self-sufficient in every way, located by the riverside in the Thane-Dombivli area. Currently, we're constructing about 1,000 homes with another 2,000 in the upcoming pipeline. This award is extremely encouraging because it is a testament to the fact that if you focus on the fundamentals, create value for the customer, then inevitably you're creating value for society with a product that's good, and then the market will reward you.
Next on the list is the Emerging Brand of the Year that goes to Mantra Properties. Well, our next award is for the Best Real Estate Developer of the Year, Residential, and the award goes to Shilp Group. To receive the award, we have right here with us Mr. Saumil Patil, Head of Sales and Marketing, Shilp Group.
Thank you, Zareen. Thank you, AdSync and CNN News 18 for giving this opportunity. Thank you, everyone.
Moving on, we have the Best Commercial Project of the Year that is awarded to Dream Digit by Dream Developers. May I request Mr. Vishal Choitramani, the Managing Director, Mr. Vicky Arthwani, and Mr. Sushil Mulchandani, the Directors, and Mr. Yogesh Zalte, Project Head, Sales and Marketing of Dream Developers, to receive the award. A round of applause, ladies and gentlemen.
Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you, jury, for giving us this award. Thank you.
The award for the Emerging Developer of the Year goes to SAS Infra. Receiving the award is Mr. Ashish Bhattacharya, Chief Marketing Officer at SAS Infra.
SAS Infra is basically a very new company. We have started this project called to be the tallest business tower of Hyderabad in 2019. And 2021, after all this pandemic hurdles and all, if this has come to us, it's certainly an achievement. And thank you, the organizers, for it.
Continuing with the awards, we have the Luxury Project of the Year that goes to Marina Bay by Sugi Group. We now have the award for the Real Estate Project that goes to I Dudhwalas Group. May I please request Mr. Suraj Chaprekar, Design Head, I Dudhwalas Group.
Thank you very much, and it's been a privilege to be honored with this award. It's been a sheer hard work that has got us here, and of course many more to come.
Up next is the award for the Lifetime Achievement of the Year in Real Estate, and this is awarded to Mr. M.R. Jayashankar, Chairman and Managing Director, Brigade Group.
I thank immensely for considering me worthy of the Lifetime Achievement Award in Real Estate. It is a great motivator for me to carry on the work in the years to come. Coincidentally, this is the 35th year of the Brigade Group, establishing Brigade Group. As most of you may know, we are in the field of residential real estate, office leasing, retail malls, and hospitality. Thank you.
The next award is for the Most Trusted Real Estate Brand of the Year, and the award goes to Arvind Smart Spaces Limited. And now, ladies and gentlemen, let's hear it for the Woman Super Achiever of the Year, Ms. Suparna Ganguly, VP Brand Communications, Avant Group. The Most Enterprising CEO of the Year goes to Mr. Yash Brahmbhatt, Founder and CEO, Shilp Group. Receiving the award on his behalf is Mr. Saumil Patel, Head of Sales and Marketing, Shilp Group. For our next category, the Upcoming Developer of the Year, Pune, the award goes to Sarthi Group. We have with us Ms. Ashmita Mahajan, the Director, to receive the award.
Certainly, it's a moment of pride for us here at Sarthi Group. I would like to thank the organizer for recognizing us here at this reputed platform. At Sarthi, we believe in customer focus, and this really has given a boost to continue the same. Thank you once again.
Next on the list is the Marketer of the Year, and the award goes to Mr. Nitin Gupta, Senior Vice President, Sales, Marketing and CRM, Mantra Properties.
I like to say thanks to the jury for this. It's a really great honor to receive this award, especially in the year of pandemic. where things were really difficult as a marketeer, but at Mantra Properties we have a culture of listening to our customers, and I'm really thanks to the Mantra family and the entire team for helping us out and to take this award. Thank you so much.
Next, we have the award for the Managing Director of the Year, and this is awarded to Mr. Pankaj Bansal, Director, M3M India. The next category is the Emerging Brand of the Year and is awarded to Oxy Fresh Homes from Today Global Developers. Joining us on stage to receive the award is Mr. Bhadresh Shah, Managing Director, and Mr. Bhavesh Shah, the Director of Today Global Developers.
Thank you, jury. Thank you, EdSync and CNN News 18. This award and recognition means a lot. Last 15 years have been a wonderful journey for Today Group. Almost 1 million square feet delivered, and we are on track to deliver another 1.5 million square feet in the next 3 to 5 years. This journey would not have been possible without our customer, their love and confidence which they have shown in us, and we promise that we will continue to do good work, and I'm sure many more awards will follow like that. Thank you very much.
Our next award is the Emerging Transactional Advisory Company, and this is awarded to FundMart India Private Limited. May I call upon Mr. Gaurav Arora, the Director, to receive the award.
FundMart was clearly formed to help real estate sector, to help them handling the cash flows, not only raising funds, we have raised billions of funds, but we help them getting strategic partnership at all times. So the project is delivered at time. That is our journey, and we will keep doing it. Thanks to our clients who always keep faith in us and make it happen. Thank you so much.
We now have the award for the upcoming project of the year, and the award goes to La Vida from Kakkad Group. Please put your hands together for the partners of Kakkad Group, Mr. Amrish Kakkad and Rishi Kakkad, as they step forward to receive the award.
Just a heartfelt thank you from Kakkad Group for this recognition. CNN and AdSync, thank you for recognizing.
The award for the most emerging real estate brand goes to Srishti Group. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome on stage Mr. Kamlesh Thakur, co-founder and director, as well as Mr. Karan Vilaytramani, the director, to receive the award.
Thank you to everyone who has been a part of this journey for the last 29 years now, and just hope to do great things in the future. Thank you.
The Youth Icon of the Year is awarded to Mr. Arjun Khandari, the Managing Partner of Khushi World.
Well, thank you for this beautiful award. I think the entire market has gone through a very good transitional stage, and I think sales have really picked up now, and I think real estate is the next thing, because we can see that the only place the buyer now wants to invest is, and I think we will grow together, and we have a lot to see in the future.
Well, up next is the Luxury Furniture Brand of the Year 2021, and the award goes to Dash Square. Please put your hands together for Mr. Suraj Bakshani, Head of Business Development, Dash Square, as he receives the award.
Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to take this opportunity to thank the event organizers and the jury for putting us on this prestigious platform. Dash Square has been working very hard, and this award goes to the entire team of Dash Square and its relentless journey for perfection. Thank you very much.
The Marketing, Development and Design Excellence Award of the Year is awarded to B. Khandari Properties. Receiving the award, Mr. Vijay Khandari, the Managing Partner and Co-Promoter of B. Khandari Properties. The Best Value Brand of the Year, Real Estate, is awarded to Shriram Properties.
I would like to thank the esteemed jury for recognizing our efforts and bestowing with the prestigious award, Best Value Brand of the Year 2020. It's truly an honor. This has been possible because of continued committed efforts from all our family members, my team, and our customers in making sure that we strive towards achieving such excellence in our business. Thank you once again for bestowing the prestigious award on us.
The Property Consultant Company of the Year, that goes to Aman Estates. To receive the award, we have with us Mr. Aman Dekar, the Managing Director of Aman Estates. Next on the list for MKS Corporate Services Private Limited for the best quality services. Lastly, we have the award for the Emerging Property Advisory Company of the Year Residential that goes to Beams and Collins. Ladies and gentlemen, can we have a huge round of applause for all the winners? I would now request Ms. Zareen Khan to kindly share a moment with all our awardees and make this day a memorable one.
Good afternoon, everyone. It gives me immense pleasure to be here, and thank you AdSync and CNN for making me part of this event. I would like to congratulate all the awardees. I would also like to congratulate AdSync, Justo, CNN for organizing this event, which, this is my first time that I'm being a part of an event like that, but kudos to all of you. I mean, this actually shows the undying spirit of Mumbai. It is actually a lot of encouragement so that we keep doing the best that we are doing in our field. So all the best and congratulations to all of you. And thank you once again for having me here.